In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and customize your website using Squarespace, a popular platform for building stunning, professional-looking websites with ease. Whether you're revamping your site or just starting out, these steps will help you navigate Squarespace's editing tools effectively. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins by visiting the Squarespace website, where you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's straightforward to set up, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. We'll take it step by step. Once on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Website. Clicking on this will take you to the editing interface of your site. Here is where you can bring your creative vision to life. To start making changes to your site, look for an option that says Edit and click it. This brings you into the Site Editor, where you'll notice different editable sections and tools at your disposal. Next, let's focus on editing your site header, which is often the first impression visitors have of your site. To do this, find and click on Edit Site Header. This will open up a variety of options under Edit Design. Here, you can modify several aspects of your website's header to align with your branding or personal style. You have control over link and element spacing, which is the distance between different components, providing a clean, organized look. You can also adjust the layout to suit the overall aesthetic of your website, ensuring it's visually appealing and functional. Additionally, you'll be able to experiment with various effects, which can enhance the user experience and make your website stand out. You might want to consider how the height and width of your header fit in with the rest of your site to create a cohesive design. Moreover, don't overlook the color options. The right color scheme can set the tone for your site, so take your time to choose colors that reflect your brand's identity or personal preference. Feel free to play around with these settings until you feel satisfied. One of the great things about Squarespace is the ability to see your changes in real time, so there's no need to worry about making mistakes. You can always adjust things until they look just right. Once you've made all your desired changes and are happy with the new design, you can finalize your edits. Take a moment to review your work to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're done, simply save your changes and voila, your updated website is ready to impress visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Squarespace site. Don't forget, you can revisit these steps anytime you need to make further tweaks or updates. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope it has empowered you to create a website you're truly proud of.